Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a popsicle. So let's get started. First, draw a straight line, and from here let's draw a slight curve, and now draw a straight line, and let's repeat the same here. Now let's draw a curve. Draw U shape. Now let's draw a wavy line. Let's draw eyes. Another one. Eyelashes. And the mouth. The small oval shape for the blush. Now let's color this. Okay buddies, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.